President Donald Trump at Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky nagkasagutan sa White House. Nag-usap lang sana ang dalawa para solusyonan at tapusin na ang digmaan. Gusto ng kampo ni Trump at Vice President J.D. Vance ng diplomatic talk o kapayapaan sa pamamagitan ng usapan sa Russia. Ibig sabihin, sumuko na daw ang Ukraine sa Russia, makipag-usap muna. Para kay President Zelensky, madami na akong kababayang namatay. Ngayon pa ako susuko. Kita sa mata ni Zelensky na gusto niyang gumanti sa Russia. Pero ang kampo ni President Trump, itigil na ang digmaan kontra sa Russia.
The path to peace and the path to prosperity is maybe engaging in diplomacy.
He killed our people and he didn't exchange prisoners. We signed the exchange of prisoners, but he didn't do it. What kind of diplomacy, JD, you are speaking about? What do you mean?
I'm talking about the kind of diplomacy that's going to end the destruction of your country.
Yes, but if you
Mr. President, with respect, I think it's disrespectful for you to come into the Oval Office and try to litigate this.
Parehas naman may point ang magkabilang panig. Siguro mataas lang talaga ang damdamin ni Zelensky dahil oo nga, wasak na ang kanyang bansa. Madami na ding nasawing kababayan niya. Pero bigla-biglang gusto ng Trump administration na hinto na bigla ang digmaan at sumuko na sa Russia. Mas uminit pa ang sagutan ng sabihin ni President Zelensky na mararanasan nyo rin ang nararanasan namin ngayong digmaan. Babala ba to ng World War III?
Everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless. God bless. You will not have war.
Don't tell us what we're going to feel. We're trying to solve a problem. Don't tell us what we're going to feel.
I'm not telling you.
Because you're in no position to dictate that. Remember this. You're in no position to dictate what we're going to feel. We're going to feel very good.
Feel influence.
We're going to feel very good and very strong.
You will feel influence.
You're right now not in a very good position. You've allowed yourself to be in a very bad position, and he happens to be right about it.
From the very beginning of the war.
You're not in a good position. You don't have the cards right now. With us, you start having cards. Right now, you don't. You're playing cards. You're playing cards. You're gambling with the lives of millions of people. You're gambling with World War III.
Wala tayong dapat sisihin dito. Bilyong-bilyong pera na rin kasi ng mga Amerikano ang nauubos sa giyera sa Ukraine-Russia war. 3 taon na rin ang digmaan at inaasahang tatagal pa to. Kaya ang paraan ng Trump administration, itigil na at umupo pag-usapan to kasama si Russian President Vladimir Putin.
Mr. President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
you haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
you
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this cabinet.
We gave you, through this stupid president, $350 billion. We gave you military equipment.
At the end of the day, sarili mo lang talaga ang kakampi mo. Kung ako kay Pangulong Marcos, huwag iasa lahat sa Amerika. Dahil posibleng anumang oras isuko tayo niyan sa China. Kayo, sinong papanigan nyo dito? Si President Trump na gusto nang itigil ang digmaan para hindi na lumala. O si President Zelensky na nananindigan dahil madami nang namatay sa kanyang kababayan. Ikomento sa baba ng salobin.